Welcome back to the series. If you're here for the first time, this is a series on a real world project built with WordPress and BuddyPress. In this video, I cover how I dynamically display SVG flag icons on the members index page beside members' country of choice. Let's get started. All right, we're back to the athlete index file. And on this video, we're going to go over the backend setup and coding of this tiny flags, which is being dynamically put in here using a plugin, a function that we're going to go through. So let's go look at it, what's happening in the code. Okay, so the journey begins by installing this plugin, SVG Flags. You can get some details here. Okay, so once installed, they have a nice little get started page here. So if I click on it, I find this. This is where they pretty much described how to use the shortcode way. How to, everything about it is just shortcode. But the way I'm doing it is programmatically, so I had to go to the plugin docs by clicking here, which is here. This is where also they talk about nothing but shortcode. So I had to dig deeper to go to the SVG flag demo, which is here. And this is where I find the HTML and the CSS class representation of the flags. The class that makes the difference is this tiny bit right here, flag icon -GB. So this 2-digit country code, GB is for Great Britain, CH for Czechoslovakia, things like that. So to find this, we can go to, I just made a search on two-digit country code, and the top one, this one, I came here, and they have a international list of all the 2-digit or 3-digit or even numeric code. In this case, we need this alpha 2 code, which is the 2-digit ones. So basically you come back, and when you create your span like that, besides this flag dash icon, you just add another one, flag dash icon dash GB, or CA for Canada, etc. And this is where you get your codes from. Also the how to control the shape and sizes here. So to do that, next we have to go dig down to the template level. Since this is happening on this member index file and all this data coming from the member index loop, so that's what we have to dig down to. To go there, we have to find my template folder, and inside that, to customize this BuddyPress template, we have to find this BuddyPress folder. Just to give you a background of how I got this, we have to go down to the plugin, find the BuddyPress folder, open it up, go under BuddyPress BP templates, and then we find these two folders, the legacy and nuevo, and we go under the nuevo and collect this folder right here, bring it back all the way to my template folder, drop it in, and now it is open for you to customize the way you like it. So at this point, we find the members folder, and this is the member index, but to find our details, index is basically the wrap around the whole thing, but to actually get to this, the country flags and such, we have to dig down to the member loop, which is the member loop. This is the file, and I went through all these details in some of the earlier videos. So here we collect this nationality, which is presented here on each athlete or members. Basically we collect this the country name, and then I've created a function, get country flag icon, in which I send this nationality, the country, and this function returns a text, which is this, and flag dash icon dash 2-digit country code. So let's go back. First of all, we have to go back to the functions file and find the ASM custom functions, which is under this folder. Let's go find that underscore function, and then ASM functions, and inside that ASM custom functions. Here we have this actual function get country flag icon, and here we're sending this country, and once it gets the country, it has a global variable declared here, and according to the country here, this switch case logic populates this variable, the country flag icon. Here I painstakingly put down all 200 countries, and in the end it returns that variable with this text in it, which reflects this the country or nationality. And once we get that, notice this variable, right? I mean this text, and we get a return on this member loop, put it inside this variable, the country flag icon, and then we go down to right here, which is pretty much the beginning of this area right here. As you can see, this committed logo, university name, these are right here. So if we dig down a little farther, right here we find this span right here, which was built according to what we have here in the documentation. Only thing that makes a difference is that tiny variable which holds the text, this text, flag dash icon dash ch or GB according to the country. So we're echoing this variable, and this is giving us whatever is set here according to the country. And once that is echoed in, we find these guys right here. Dash GB will give us Great Britain, dash US will give us United States, so on and so forth. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.